In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable notifications on Google Chrome. Getting interrupted by unwanted notifications can be quite distracting, especially when you're focused on a task, and fortunately, addressing this is straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate the settings in Google Chrome to turn off those pesky notifications. Let's begin with opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome has launched, turn your attention to the top right corner where you'll see three vertical dots, commonly referred to as the Chrome menu, or just menu for short. This is your gateway to the browser's settings, among other options. Go ahead and click on the menu. A drop-down will appear, providing a list of various options. You're looking for the Settings option, so go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking Settings, you'll be directed to a new browser tab showcasing a multitude of configuration options for Google Chrome. Since we want to address notifications, you'll need to focus on the left-hand sidebar where you can locate Privacy and Security. Click on it, and this will streamline the options visible to your current needs. In the Privacy and Security section, look for an option that says Site Settings. Click on it, and you'll now find yourself on a page comprised of several settings that govern how websites interact with your computer. What you'll want to do next is search for the Permissions section. This section controls what various websites are allowed to do, including sending notifications. Find Notifications from the list and click on it. Now that you're in the Notifications settings, you should see different websites listed with their corresponding permissions related to notifications. If you don't want any websites to send notifications, you can simply toggle off the switch that corresponds to allowing sites to ask to send notifications. Remember that this is a blanket move. All websites will be unable to prompt you with notification requests. However, if you just want to stop notifications from specific sites but still allow others, you can manually alter the settings for each one. Scroll down to see your current permissions and select which ones you wish to block or allow notifications from. Make sure to tailor these settings to most effectively meet your needs, whether selectively turning off notifications for websites that have been particularly bothersome or dismissing notifications altogether. Feel free to revisit this section anytime your preferences change. And that wraps up today's guide on disabling notifications in Google Chrome. By taking control of your notification settings, you enjoy a browsing experience that's not only less interrupted, but also more aligned to your personal tastes. Remember to keep your browser updated to ensure these changes remain effective over time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and guides.